Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yeah.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yeah, I understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
I'm I'm willing to work, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, I don't have.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell but are staying in the Philippines, don't give us problem, okay?
Yeah.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I'm agree.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? Because they got higher salary than here in Malaysia.
Because I don't have money for processing fee, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to
I
finish
check.
your 2 years contract here. Any uncertain situations or once breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Um, I'm Birgit Pachico from Masbate, Philippines. I'm 41 years old. I have two children, boy 16 age and 12. I'm a
Okay,
single.
single mother. Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
My birthday is July 4, 1983.
What about your height and your weight?
My weight is 59.
What about your weight? Your height and your weight. Your weight is 59 and your height
I think it's 4'11".
4'11. What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate from 1999 to 2000.
Okay. You mentioned that you are a single mother and you have two children. So who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My my children taking care of my sister.
Okay, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, they are agree.
Don't dance the chair, okay? I told you don't dance the chair. Focus in the camera. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 5 brothers and 4 sisters. I'm the three of the siblings.
Okay, what about your parents?
My parents is um 63 years old and 66.
So they allow you to come and work here in Malaysia. We don't have any problem, right?
Yeah, they are agree to me to work.
Okay, so do you have any working experience as a housemaid or a domestic helper?
I'm working in Kuwait from August 16, 2018 to August 28 to 2024. My one employer only.
How many years you work there?
6 years almost, ma'am.
Okay,
But
can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Kuwait?
my responsibilities there are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and taking care of the elderly. My
Did you do
madam.
laundry?
Yeah. But the laundry there is automatic only.
Okay. So how old is the elderly that you take care? Is it female or male?
Female, 70, it's,
78 years old.
yeah, diabetic patient.
Okay, what happened? Why you decided not to continue working to this employer? You've been working for them for 6 years.
Because they are migrate there in Kuwait. Come back to
Oh, which country did they migrate?
uh, Jordan. Their country
Jordan.
is Jordan.
Okay, so being an OFW, being a domestic helper is not new for you already, okay?
Yeah.
So you already have experience, okay? But I would like to let you know that Kuwait and Malaysia is quite different.
Yeah.
Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness and
Yeah.
about the rules and regulations. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I know. I'm
Because
ready.
you need really to get ready yourself because here, okay, I would like to let you know that you might experience those things that you didn't experience in Kuwait. Yeah?
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
You
I
need to
know.
be flexible. You need to be multitasking. There is no
Okay.
such a thing that you will just do house chores only. If there is any elderly inside the house or children, is you need to assist them also at the same time. Okay?
Yeah, I know. I know my responsibility, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Very good that you know your responsibility. That's great. Okay? Are you
Yes,
okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
yes, if they are sleeping.
But you need to be multitasking, okay?
Yeah,
If
yeah.
they're sleeping, then you can do house chores, but more on you need to focus also on taking care of them, yeah?
The most important for taking care of children because
Yes. Can you
if
cook?
yeah, I'm cook.
Can you take care elderly people? And absolutely say yes, right? Because you already got experience in Kuwait.
Yes, yes, I know.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, but I try my best to take care
It's
of.
just yes or no. Are you okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No.
It's okay. As long as you tell us the truth, then we don't have any problem. Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yeah, I know, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will
Yeah,
render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going
okay.
to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you
Yeah.
okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, yes. I
If you
agree, ma'am.
agree, it's okay. You can come. Don't give us problem. But if you disagree, as I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. Better stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities to other countries. Okay?
Yeah, 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 I know.
As much as we are clear, then we don't have any problem. Always
Okay.
remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad.
Yeah, yeah.
Homesickness will frequently attack us, but how will you gonna handle it later?
I relax myself. Don't think the problem in there in Philippines.
Okay. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries,
The
no
work.
such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations, and we need to respect the employer's culture. Any
Yeah,
problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
yeah, yeah. I know.
You know, ah?
Yeah, yeah. I know.
Okay. So, Bridget, I give you a scenario. What will you do if the employer is not satisfied the way you work? What will you do?
I will do my best
What if
to
what if they get angry with you but you didn't do anything wrong? What will you do?
no, I'm quiet only.
You were
And then
quiet only. You will not answering them back.
no answering but
Okay. We need to humble ourselves, Bridget. As I have mentioned many times, this is not Philippines. We
yeah,
need
yeah,
to
I
stoop down and lower our pride because
yeah,
we came here to earn some money,
yeah,
so
yeah, I know.
that we could send to our family, we could have give them a brighter future ahead. Okay?
Yes.
We need to endure, we need to work hard for it, and we need to handle the job properly. Yeah?
Yeah, yeah, I know.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank
connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
you. Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank
much
you.
and have a good day. Bye.